Good morning, and it's another beautiful day. And today we are off on an adventure. I have decided to go and find the Floating Pagoda, which is about 100 kilometers from Chiang Mai, according to the map. I can't really find out a great deal of information about it. It's very sketchy about the route, how to get there, what the route's like. But it looks really beautiful, and it's on top of a mountain somewhere. So, stock up my breakfast, pack some snacks, get on the bike. Let's see if we can show you, find the way to the Floating Pagoda. It's going to be quite a drive, so it's going to be a long day, so I'm trying to leave early-ish. Let's get some breakfast. Whew. Oh, away from the busy city and into the country. Beautiful. Escaped the traffic of Chiang Mai. It was reasonably busy this morning for Chiang Mai. Came to the traffic, then the roads got quieter, less vehicles, and then I turned off, and I think I'm heading into the mountains now, because now I'm on little roads and it's very quiet. I just pulled off to rest my bottom, been driving about an hour, have a stretch, and enjoy this beautiful day. Since our last stop, but I found this lovely little coffee shop sitting beside the road by the river. I thought, well, I'll just stop for a stretch and a coffee, and it does seem a long time since breakfast, and this seems such a nice little coffee spot. Look at it. I have no idea where we are, but it seems time to get a coffee or a cold drink. Ooh, what is this? Beautiful and relaxing is this. Mustn't get sidetracked though. Still got an hour and a half to drive. But this is beautiful. Good coffee too. And it's raining. The sun is still streaming through in the clouds, but just dropping down into the valley, and some rain came in. So rather than drive on the slightly slippery road, I thought it'll pass quickly. I'll just tuck myself in a corner here, have a couple of snacks. I brought some biscuits with me, just a little snack, and I'll carry on when the rain stops. I've arrived after a beautiful journey with rain, sunshine, twisty roads, amazing views. I've arrived at the parking area where I parked the bike, parked over there, and you from now on have to pay and get a shuttle up to the top. Well, not up to the top, up to a point, and then you walk from the last bit. So let's go and find out about the ticket and when it's going to go. And there's the waiting area. Tickets here for Thank you.
270 baht.
270.
Yeah.
Thank you.
One up and down.
Up and down.
Yeah.
Tickets. It's one up and down.
Ticket the car 70 baht. And ticket National Park 200
200 baht.
270 baht.
Thank you very much.
Yeah.
And what time? How long?
Uh, 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah. Waiting here 15 minutes.
In 15 minutes.
Yeah.
Thank you very much.
Up and down 1 hour.
1 hour.
Yeah.
Thank you. One ticket, it's 200 for the national park and 70 baht for the truck up and down. 35 each way. And apparently next one's going in 15 minutes, so I've got a little bit of time to have a drink, find a toilet, and then take you up. Oh, the first stage before walking. And it's hot. Look at my hat, some sunscreen, some water, and let's go. Thank you. And we are heading up the mountain. Well, once you're parked at the bottom, the next stage you get a songthaew, one of these little vehicles that takes you up the next steep step, but unfortunately not all the way to the top. So enjoy the ride before we start hiking up. Oh my goodness. This is steep. And we're going at, beaucoup de force. Give it the speed. Oh, we made it alive. And I don't think anybody fell out. That's got to be a success. I'm looking forward to the trip down. That's a ride. You sure you don't want to walk down? Thank you.
สวัสดีครับห้องน้ำนะครับจุดนี้จุดสุดท้ายแล้วบนเขาไม่มีห้องน้ำนะครับห้องน้ำอยู่ตรงนู้นจุดเดียวขึ้นเขาทางนี้เลย800 เมตรเตรียมน้ำไปด้วยนะครับร้านค้าสุดท้ายนี้
And that's it. A bit of a wild ride up, but here safely. Now, peaceful and quiet. Now, pagoda is apparently 800 meters along that way. I'm not sure if it's steep or not, but that's the path we're going to take. Down, or down, up there. So, let's go. Oh, it's so peaceful. Oh, the view already from here is fantastic. Okay, let's go. Well, after a rather terrifying drive up at high speed, the trucks go, people disappear, and you're left halfway up, hopefully more than halfway up, almost the top of this beautiful mountain. Now the first part, I think first 200 meters, nice and easy, gentle slope up until this part, and then the stairs start. And they are here. So yes, oh, we've done four, so only 400 meters, and then we're up the stairs. Whew. Let's go. Still climbing, long and steady. It's not difficult. All metal steps so far. It is quite warm though. That's because I've got a beautiful, beautiful day. I think I can see that. So I keep telling myself that I'm glad I brought some extra water and some snacks with me. Let's do the final push.